Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the AJAZZ AK820PRO, a 75% hot swappable mechanical keyboard that's been making waves. Right out of the box, the compact design is a winner, freeing up valuable desk space without sacrificing essential keys. The purple colorway is definitely eye-catching. One of the standout features is the multi-function TFT color display screen. It's not just a gimmick, it's genuinely useful. Users can customize it with GIF images, monitor RGB settings, switch between Windows and Mac modes, and even adjust backlight brightness and speed. The volume knob is a welcome addition, providing tactile control over audio. Typing feel is where the AK820PRO truly shines. AJAZZ has gone all out with sound dampening, incorporating pour-on sandwich cotton, an IXB under-access pad, a pet sound pad, and bottom cotton. The result is a remarkably quiet and satisfying typing experience. The PCB single key slotting design further enhances stability, ensuring each keystroke feels solid and consistent. The AK820PRO features programmable RGB with south-facing LEDs. The two-color injection molded PBT keycaps allow the RGB lighting to shine through beautifully. There are 20 default lighting modes to choose from, and for those who love to tinker, the compatible software allows for endless customization. Connectivity is another strong point. The keyboard offers Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C wired modes. It can connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for multi-device users. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery provides ample power for extended use, whether at home or on the go. The hot swappable design is a major plus for keyboard enthusiasts. The AK820PRO supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, making it easy to experiment with different switch types without soldering. The custom linear switches come pre-lubricated from the factory, ensuring a smooth and consistent feel. Overall, the AJAZZ AK820PRO is a feature-packed keyboard that offers excellent value for money. Its compact design, customizable display screen, exceptional typing feel, versatile connectivity options, and hot swappable design make it a top contender in the 75% keyboard market. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, performance, and customization, the AK820PRO is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.